Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TriboGeek. Today in this video, I'll be explaining you the three important points on how to apply for internships. Whenever you're doing your bachelor's or master's studies, it is important that you have to showcase your skills and you have to show that you have a relevant practical experience, and this can be fulfilled only by internships. So in this video, I will be explaining you what are the three important points on how you have to apply for internships. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel TriboGeek, do subscribe. So the three most important points on how to apply for internships are: the first point is keeping your profile updated. The second point is when and what is the time or the duration you're going to do the internship. Deciding like when are you going to apply for internship and how much duration are you going to do the internship. And the third point is where do you look for internship? What is the website? What is the platform where you look for internship? So I will be discussing about all these 3 points in detail. Discussing on the first point, that is keeping your profiles up to date. When I say you have to keep your profiles up to date, I mean that you have to keep your resume or your CV up to date. You have to add all your trainings or your workshops, your educational qualifications, if you have attended a conference, if you have published a paper or any other activities, what you think is relevant for an internship. You have to keep your resume up to date when you start applying for internship. And also you have to keep all the documents such as the transcripts, the degree certificate, etc. ready in hand before applying for internships. And also I would like to stress on one of the professional platform, that is the LinkedIn. You have to keep updating your LinkedIn whenever you have a new thing that you can showcase that you have this particular experience or this particular qualification for that internship. So in this LinkedIn, you will be able to showcase your talents to the networks from the companies which you are designed to apply for internships. So in this way, if you keep all your documents updated, this is a first step for applying for any internships. The second point what we are going to discuss is the duration of internship and when to start applying for internship. When it comes to the duration of internship, you have to decide when you are going to do the internships. Are you going to do the internships in your summer vacations, or are you going to do the internships after your bachelor's of engineering or any of your degree? So when it comes to the summer vacation, your duration will be very short. So let us say if it is like 2 months. So you have to decide that this internship, it will be able to fulfill the particular terms and conditions, or you will be able to learn some particular things in this 2 months duration. You will not be able to do a lot of work, or you will not be able to learn a lot of things in this 2 months duration. So you have to choose the internship accordingly and apply which is suitable for this 2 months of duration. And then if you are doing an internship after your bachelor's or after your degree, then it is that you will be doing for a longer duration. Maybe it is a 6 months. Then you have to choose the internship according to that duration. This is how you select the duration of internship. And after selecting the duration of internship, when do you have to start applying for internship? So I would say you have to start applying for internship prior to the duration, like 2 or 3 months prior to the duration. That is, if you give this buffer time of 2 or 3 months, this would help you to get any of the internships by the time you get that duration. So this is very important that you have to apply for an internship at least 2 or 3 months priorly when you decide a particular duration. This is about the duration and when to start applying for internship. So now coming to the third and the most important point, that is where to look for the internship. Whenever a student is applying for an internship, he will have a doubt that where to look for internship, which are the website what we have to follow for internships. In Google, you will be able to find a lot of websites where you can find the openings for an internship, that is internship.com, Intershala, etc. But for me, I would recommend one of the most the useful website what I found, that is the IAESTE, that is International Association for Exchange of the Students for Technical Studies. In this website, you will be able to apply for internships across 80 plus countries, and you will be able to find like 3 lakh plus internships. Here in this website, you have to initially log in, and then once you log in, you will get n number of internships. In this, you have to filter out according to your department or according to your field of study in which you are desiring to do the internship. In this, once you select the field, you will get a lot of information, and there you can also select the duration, you can also select the paid and non-paid internships, etc. So here you will be able to choose the internship, and then you will be directed to the website for that particular internship, and then you will be able to apply for this. This IAEST platform is one of the most useful platform for applying for internship, and I will also provide the link of this platform in the description of this video. So while applying for internship, also I would like to mention another tip. That is, whenever you're applying for internship, for example, say if you are from mechanical engineering background, when you are from mechanical engineering background, you will be knowing so many people who are from the same background and who will be working in different companies. So when you have such networks, then you can contact them directly. You can ask them that if they have any internships or any positions open in their company, and then you can ask them that could they recommend you for that particular position, or could they recommend you for internship in their company. So in this way, you will be contacting that person directly, and you will be able to get the internship. This is one of the best way to get the internships through your networks. And there's another tip what I would like to give, that is applying directly in the company. So when you are applying for internship, it is important that you will be able to note that you have set of companies which you are desiring to apply for. So in that particular company, you will have particular teams where you have to work, or you are desiring to do internship in that particular team. So in that team, you will get to know the contact details of a team leader, of a person. So there you can contact them directly, and you can ask them that do they have any positions for this particular duration. So if they have any position, they would definitely reply you for your queries, and then you will be able to get the internship directly from that particular company. So these are the few tips which I would like to give for applying for internships, and these tips have really helped me while I was applying for my internship, and I hope this will help yours as well. So summarizing all the important points what I have mentioned, that is the three most important points to keep your profiles updated, deciding the duration, and also deciding the time before the duration for applying for internship, and also where to apply for internship, what are the sources, how you can look for an internship, that is through the websites and also through your networks, and applying directly through the company. These are the most important points what you have to remember while applying for internship. I hope this video will help you while applying for internship, and if you have not liked this video, do like and share, and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel TriboGeek. Until next video, see you.